too cold, so I think today is the day that we put up the big goal. We're gonna record the whole thing so you guys can see how easy or hard it is to assemble. The Glovenator is now 2 stones and like 2.5 sticks. That didn't end well for him. We've opened up all the boxes. Now let's see what's inside. This one looks like wheels. Wheels again. This one has, oh, that's going to be the net. Okay. And also some bars. I think that's going to be like the, that's going to be the corner pieces in the top of the goal probably. In here, that's either the post or crossbar. And they're going to be the posts. These are going to be the crossbar. And then even more poles. Okay, so basically what we've learned from this, a goal is made up of poles. Guys, I think we're going to be needing this. These are all the parts that we should have in these boxes, and we are going to need a wrench, a ratchet, a rubber mallet, an Allen key and a step ladder. Do we have all those things? Good. Where are we going to get them from? Wow, that was easy. Okay, I guess we don't need to go looking for them now. The first job is to get all of the boxes out onto the grass. All the poles come in plastic bags so they don't bang against each other and scratch when they're being transported. This is the Forza ALU110 goal. That is 110 in width, and these aren't actually like a circular shape, they're more of an oval, as you can see there. It's not a complete circle. The oval shape gives them more strength than just a circle. We've now got everything out of the boxes, the corner brackets, the posts, the crossbars, the metal brackets, everything like that, nuts, bolts, wheels, net. This is definitely going to take a while. Steps 1, 2, 3 and 4 are all to do with the crossbar. In the middle of each section is a box section, which then clamps it all together and strengthens it. You've got to slide lots of bolts into this channel, which will eventually hold it all together. We put bolts facing upwards in middle there, and then now we are putting these hex bolts with washers in the actual gaps to fix the crossbar pieces together. This bolts into the box section in the middle, if you remember from earlier. We now need to add the straight bracket on the bolts. Then we add a washer and a lock nut and we've got some bolts in here. We now need to place the bracket onto them, just like so, like that, and then we put this piece here, which is the piece that is going to connect the stanchion bar from up here down to the bottom. We've then got washers and nuts to tighten it all up. So now we have to do basically the same thing for the side bar and the back bar, connecting the two, because if you imagine the goal standing upright, you need the side bar and then the back bar for the stanchion bar to connect them. These are the stanchion poles, and we need to put these in before we connect the top and bottom together so it's stable. Now for the difficult part. We need to lift the crossbar and the posts up and slot it into the base. We've managed to get the posts into the base, so now we need to put the stanchion on. The stanchion then bolts into the base like this. Make it really stable. We've just put on the corner braces up there, and now we're putting on the wheels. We are now putting the net on, and we chose a very good day to do it. Look at the sky. This is absolutely incredible. It's been great today. I'm glad we chose today. The net clips onto the frame with these little clips here, really easy to use. You put them around the net, and then you make sure you have it vertical, you put it into the gap, and you turn it, and it is clamped in there, and the net cannot move. take us quite a while, but it is a very straightforward instruction manual. If you want to purchase this or any other Forza equipment, then there'll be a link in the description to where you can get it. It is really good quality, and I'll show you a few of the details in a minute, and like our last goal, it is definitely going to last a very long time. I absolutely cannot wait to get in it and use it, so make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss a video that I post. Thanks for watching, guys. Please press the like button and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!